Hi everyone, it's Laura with Ideal CRM, and today is another day of construction sales unlocked. What I'd like to show you in this session is how to set up a visual sales pipeline. If you've been using Excel spreadsheets or other manual tools to keep track of your sales and you've outgrown them, it is time to look at a software tool. And the best sales tools out there offer a visual pipeline. Setting up a visual sales pipeline that matches your sales process is key to streamlining and keeping track of your sales. So let's see how you can work with a visual sales pipeline and customize the pipeline stages to match your sales process. What you see here is an example of a visual pipeline from Ideal CRM. Each column represents a stage in our sales process, and each of these cards represents an opportunity. With one look at this pipeline, I can see where all my opportunities are and what I need to work on. You can also add or remove stages to match your process. If I look at my sales process diagram, I see there is a go, no-go decision-making stage that I don't have in my visual pipeline. So let's go ahead and add that in. I will go to Sales Pipeline Stages, add the new stage, and then position it where I want it to show. Now, when we look at our visual pipeline, we'll see this new stage. This is a great example of how easy it is to customize a sales pipeline with the right sales software tool. If you haven't tried the Sales CRM yet, to keep your sales team on track and on top of their opportunities, give Ideal CRM a try. You can sign up for free and see what it can do for you. And that's it for today's session. Thanks for joining and happy selling!